Hi, everybody. Thank you very much for joining me. My name is Nima, and this is the 2 minute podcast time. We had a very fascinating, interesting discussion about AI. And this is the 2 minute podcast time in that Hajar is going to share her thoughts and reflections upon AI. But just for the benefit of those that have joined us now and they haven't watched the main podcast episode, the actual title of the podcast episode is The Experiment is Us, AI in Life, Research and Society. Now, Hajar, thanks again for joining us. And this is the 2 minute podcast time in that you could talk to us about anything that you desire and you wish, and the floor is yours.
Thank you so much, Nima. Thank you for the chance and the opportunity to be on this podcast and to speak about my experience, to share my views and insights and my personal experiences with AI. And that it's something that I've always been interested in, something that I wanted to reflect on for so long. And I feel like when it comes to AI, that's the thing that we need to be doing at the moment to kind of shape the future of it, that we need those spaces where we could talk openly about how is AI shaping us, how is it impacting our lives and the lives of people around us, how is it shaping our future and society and so on. And I think that one of the things that something that I've been very reflective on, and I've been thinking about, was how we are actually living now in real time, experiencing AI and its impact on us and impact on our society. So it's not a controlled trial, it's not a controlled experiment, it's happening in real time. So AI is happening, AI is being used, it is being deployed at a scale, at a population scale first. And then it is being studied, and then it is being figured out in terms of what impact it has on us, what impact it has on our society and on our future. So it is something that we need to think about constantly. We need to keep it in check because that's our futures, that's our human, the human future. Everything that we do now with AI in terms of what we're sharing with it, and how our data is being used, the mistakes we're making with it, the behaviors is shaping where AI is going to be next. But it's also shaping us. So it's shaping our attitudes now. We're using AI in our daily life. That's something we didn't used to do like 2-3 years ago. So it is influencing us as humans. But again, yes, we are using it, but we need to think about how we're using it. How should we use it ethically, responsibly, in order not to end up in that, dystopian type of future, because of us misusing it. So thank you so much again for, giving me the space to say all of that.
No, thank you very much for accepting the offer, Hajar. It's been very wonderful to have you. And thank you, everyone, for listening and watching the main episode, as well as this 2 minute podcast show. All the episodes, including the 2 minute ones, have already been, and they are going to be uploaded onto the YouTube channel for this podcast show. So if you wish to watch them, the Farsi speaking ones or the English ones, then please do access the channel, subscribe to the channel, and this is how you can access both the English and the Farsi ones. And please do keep an eye on the YouTube channel, as the updates and further lines of communications will be communicated through the YouTube channel to you guys, and also through the social media platforms. So I wish to thank every single one of you for taking the time watching us, and thank you once again, Hajar, for the time and for this wonderful, engaging discussion. And thanks, everyone. Have a lovely day, and see you guys very soon. Bye now.